So for today's video, I'm Marge Simpson. Just kidding, but my throat is like really bothering me, so I'll sound scratchy like Marge. I'll try to make it cuter. Hi, and thank you for watching. So for today's video, we are doing an unboxing because I purchased something at Louis Vuitton. It's just small, it's not like a big bag or anything like that, but I still wanted to show you on my channel because it's always fun to shop there. I like to vlog it, even though I get caught like every single time I do. It's fun to share the experience of unboxing and all that. I get a lot of my ideas of what to buy from unboxing. So just wanted to show you guys what I purchased from Louis Vuitton. This is their holiday bag. So it's still their classic orange paper bag, but in gold writing it says Louis, which is really cute. So the box has a red bow this time. There was a year, I don't remember what they had, like a really crazy obnoxious orange or something. Red is cuter, and the handle's red as well. I think that's usually blue. I like that. And then the tag on it also has the gold Louis. That's really cute, actually. I like that a lot. So if this was a gift for somebody, or even for yourself, there's a blank card in here that you can write whatever you like on it. So inside is this envelope. They definitely don't go cheap with the paper. It's always like thick cardstock. And then you can write whatever you like on here. You can be like, good job that you got a gift. Whatever accomplishment we're celebrating, if any. Cheers to you, or something like that. So I purchased this online. I was so surprised that it was in stock online because I tried to purchase the bikini bottoms and they were sold out so quick and I was not able to get my hands on them. It was really cool that this was online, but the footage is kind of funny. I just always get caught filming. I mean, it's a really small store anyway. It's like you can either go in when it's really busy and then you'll get caught because there are people everywhere, or you can go in when it's not busy and then you get caught because there's only like 3 people shopping and then like 20 sales associates. So yeah, I get caught all the time, but it's fine. And I want to shop around too. So like, I know I'm just here to pick up, but I want to look around and plan my next purchase as well. So I just do like really cringy things in there and I act silly.
Starting route to Louis Vuitton.
Going to Louis Vuitton to pick up my headband. This is so cute, you'll love it. Want to know how many times I got caught filming. I love the idea of filming videos like this because not everybody has the opportunity to go shop in a Louis Vuitton. Some people are like intimidated by luxury shopping. Some people just don't have it near them, and it's fun to share the experience, you know what I mean? Like, even if you go to Louis Vuitton all the time, if you go to a different one, it might be different, or I don't know. Like, I was always intimidated before I started like shopping, and I would like to watch like people filming going so that you know what to expect. So I like to do that too, but as a filmer I have so much more respect for the people who vlog shopping because I got caught so many times filming. They're really nice, but I mean, it gets a little bit awkward, like outside in the building. Like I've been called out and like security has like stopped me before. Filming is hard, but it's so fun and the footage is always so worth it. If you're brave enough, you should do it all the time because it's really fun. I don't know, it's fun for me to watch other people, so hopefully you enjoy it too. I have the best sales associate ever. If you want to film something, regardless of if you're shopping or if you're out somewhere, I don't think you should be shy about taking photos or video. I already know what this is, so I'm so very excited about this. So here it goes. We'll undo this ribbon just on this end because I always like to put the ribbon back on, so I don't untie it all the way. I slide this box open here. This is just a little item. So exciting. Dun, 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 dun. So this is a headband. So this is the Monogram Line Ear Warmer, and it's in Monogram Eclipse. So I'm pretty sure that this is technically for men, but who cares? This definitely can be used either or. This is so cute. Are you kidding me? And I actually get cold ears. So like sometimes things that I purchase are so ridiculous. Not useless, but like nothing but like for appearance or something like that. But my ears get so cold and it's already snowing. It's actually, there's snow all outside right now. So this actually is going to be of so much use to me. I'm really excited. It'll keep you nice and warm. It'll up your outfit. And it just, how cute is this, right? I just did my hair, but what if you just put it on top like this? Oh my god. Oh wait, no. That makes your hair look way too flat. Okay. Oh, I have to center it. This is stretchy so it like won't get in the way of your makeup. What? I look like I'm ready to go skiing. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. I want to learn how to go skiing just so I can wear this. Oh my gosh, it gives my hair more body. I'm not even joking because this goes so high up. I can feel more bounce in the back of my hair. I look like I'm ready for some kind of outdoor activity. Seriously? I love this. And it actually like will keep your ears warm, but you can still hear. Like I have earmuffs and I think that they're like a little much. This is just like a headband, but it's so cute. Wait, the guy in the picture looks cuter than me. I mean, I know Christmas season is over, but like if you do like tree lighting stuff or go to Christmas tree farms, reindeer farms, it's snowing now. So like if you have sledding or something like that to do, this is so cute. I love this. I just want to do my hair like really big. I think I washed my hair like only 2 days ago, so it's pretty sad. So that is my unboxing and I just love it. I really like the Monogram Eclipse. I think it's so cute and obviously matches my color scheme that I have going for my fashion. And yeah, I like to dress really plain and like to jazz it up with accessories. I have other Louis Vuitton unboxings on my channel. I have affordable unboxings on my channel, makeup and all that. So feel free to watch anything else and I will see you in my next video.